Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Kei. This is Kei's Playing Life. So today I have a Burlington haul for you guys. Well, I have a couple of hauls, but we're gonna start off with the Burlington haul today. Really excited about this haul. I went in there just to go look around and shop around like I always do, and I ended up finding some really nice pieces. So without any further ado, let's get into some of the things that I ended up finding at Burlington's yesterday. So I don't want this haul to be quick. If you hear me running around, that is my dog. He's running through my house like crazy. Okay, so I got this, which is a, hopefully you can see it, pedicure kit. And although I get my feet and nails done, sometimes I go once a month. So sometimes you just need a touch up or something to kind of make everything, you know, still look fresh, still look new, still look nice. So that comes in handy for me. That's a card that my aunt sent me. I got this coconut intensive moisture body lotion with vitamin C in it. Hopefully y'all can see that. I think y'all can. So move my face and let that focus. Okay, so this bottle was $6.99, and I got this big old bottle because we were sitting in the car and I was like, you know, as I get older, I see that my skin needs more and more moisture. I'm normally typically an oily girl. I've been an oily girl all my life, but now I'm noticing that I need moisture in my skin as soon as I get out the shower. When I finish washing my face, if I wash my hands, I need intense moisture on my body. So I went ahead and got this. And also I keep lotion in my car and in my purse. So the next thing is this Thank God I'm Natural Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. And I actually got two of these, and they were $2.99. Number one, I got these because the brand is really good. This brand has been around for a long time. It's a natural hair care product. And number two, I got it for my wigs, actually, because I go get my hair taken care of. Ever since my hair is like super long, and I just don't have the patience or time to deal with it anymore. So I go get it braided and deep conditioned and washed. But this was $2.99, and I think this is gonna go really good on my wigs and help my wigs. The next item is something that I already have, but I have her leave-in conditioner, and I seen this style hold, and I thought this would be, because it's a natural hair care product, once again, I thought it would work really good on my wigs when I'm trying to style my wigs. And it is the Nature Fusion by Palmer's. That was $4.99. So the next thing I got is these weights, because I am this week gonna be working out downstairs. So I want to make sure that I have everything that I need. I'm kind of thinking about transforming part of my garage into a little workout area, since it's just me now. And it's a 2-car garage, and I only have 1 car as of right now. So I've been thinking about either making part of my garage a workout area, or I have a little area by my bar, because I decided not to do dining room table, just do bar stools at the bar. I'm thinking I'm gonna put workout equipment down there, but I need some more dumbbells. These were $7.99. And the reason I got these is because I had a pair, but I ended up giving them to my son, and he ended up ruining them. So I definitely didn't want them back. So I went ahead and purchased some new ones. So let's get into the rest of this stuff. The next thing I got was pretty simple. I got this. Hold on, y'all can't see it. Let me fix it right. Okay, so I'm always looking for a black jacket. So I got this cute Puma hoodie. And I got it for $19.99. And it's crazy because I got a black pullover hoodie, but I wanted one that just zips up. And I got it. So I'm happy. Then I got me and my son matching shirts when we go on our date night. You probably like date night? Yes, my youngest. We might stop out for Panera. I've been promising him that we're gonna go to Panera and some more places. So I got matching shirts, and these were $12.99. And here's the other one. Because we got a lot of Nike stuff, so it just makes sense. And that's like, when I buy shirts nowadays, I only buy like Nike shirts because we got shoes to match every color shirt. So it just makes sense to me. Oh, and I got, did I get this for him? Yeah. This other orange Nike shirt. And this shirt was $9.99. And I think that's it. Let me see. Oh, I got one more thing, but it's, oh, I got this battery charger for my car. Although I didn't need it, but I went ahead and got it anyway. Because I actually have a new charger sitting in my car. But I like to keep a backup of my backup. So since I used the last one and I only got one more left, I decided to pick up another one. And this is going to stay in the house till I use the other one. And last but not least, this has nothing to do with Burlington, but it's only one item, so I thought I would incorporate it in the Burlington haul. But I went to Sephora. I went to get my birthday gift, number one. And number two, I am loving the Marc Jacob mascara. Like, I don't have nothing on my eyes right now, but if I put that Marc Jacob mascara on, honey, it transforms my look instantly, and it looks like I have lashes on. Because I don't do lashes. I tried them, don't like them. You know, I thought I was going to be grown. You know, the last part of my 39s. And I was like, let me try these lashes. Oh, I don't see how you ladies do it. I cannot. I don't like things on my eyes like that. Just sitting there. And I like to take my makeup off at night. And them lashes, y'all be having them stuck on you. No judgment, okay? So don't come for me. I'm not judging. I'm just saying that me and lashes, that's not my zhish. I can't do it. So, my first birthday gift was this Laneige. And it's a skincare sample. No, y'all can't probably see that. There you go. It's a skincare sample. That was my free birthday gift. And then this, y'all probably seen it on my Instagram, is the Marc Jacob. This mascara, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this mascara is amazing. And if you don't have it, I recommend it. I paid $27 for it. Yes, I did. But it's really, really good mascara. Like, if my mom was like, $27? Yeah, $27. I paid $27 for this mascara. But I like quality, you know. I haven't found a store brand mascara that gives me the same effect as this. Like, one application and my eyelashes look amazing. So, yeah. Alright guys, so y'all been 8 minutes in holding it down with your girl for this Burlington haul. So I appreciate you guys watching. I do have a couple of more videos to film, so if you see this shirt again, that's because I have a couple of more haul items that I need to take care of. But I enjoyed hauling this stuff with you guys. I said I wasn't going to do any more shopping, but ever since I have been on my journey of being divorced and being single, I found that there are things that my household has been needing that I did not have. So a lot of it is me picking up stuff, and then a lot of it is, that's my retail therapy. But nonetheless, don't worry, I retail therapy in budget. I don't go over anything. And if I'm spending money, I'm definitely putting up money. So also, I'm going to be back vlogging more consistently. I just needed to take time to get my head right. I am going to be bringing back the cooking videos. I know I said I was going to start it at the beginning, at the end of last year, and I didn't. But so much had happened that I just, you know, I needed to get my house together, number one. I needed to feel comfortable in my space to film a cooking video. And I just needed to, I need to get back to me, because I didn't feel like me. And I can't come on camera and pretend with you guys and act like I'm feeling something when I'm not. I'm not doing that anymore in 2021. So if I come on here, it's because I feel good about coming on here, and I want to give you guys my best when I do come on here. So I just thank you guys for thugging it out with me. I appreciate y'all holding your girl down. I am going to get out of here. I am in the process of changing my intro. If you watch my intro on my page, then you know why I'm changing my intro. But yeah, just stick it out there. Stick it, hold it down with your girl. You know, y'all are gonna see a lot of new changes on this channel. A lot more of me, like I said, a lot more of me. So I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to think smart, spend smarter, and have fun. I'm planning it all out, and I will be coming back with budget videos. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.